Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I explained questions 21 to 25 from chapter 1 patterns in mathematics based on Olympiad level problems. In this video, we will continue from where we left off and solve the questions 26 to 30 with clear explanation. So stay with me till the end. So this is the achiever section. 26th question is fill in the blanks and select the correct option. The first one is the next term in the sequence 3, 7, 5, 9, 7, 11 and dash. Next second one, the next shape of the following of the nanogon is. The third one, the sequence which represents the number of triangles in each row of stacked triangles has dash numbers. So in the question they given 3 questions and we have to find the answers. Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. In the first question we have to find the next sequence and next one we have to find the next shape of the following. Next third question, the sequence which represents the number of triangles in each row of the stacked triangles has dash numbers. They given 4 options. In the first question they asked what is the next term in the sequence and the sequence is 3, 7, 5, 9, 7, 11. We have to find the next number. If you observe here, what is the sequence here? 3 plus 4 equals to 7. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Next, 9 minus 2 equals to 7. 7 plus 4 equals to 11. 11 minus 2 equals to 9. So 9 is the correct answer. Here in the options A and D, the first one has 8. So the 2 options are wrong. In B and C we have 9. So we'll see these 2 options. Next the question, the next shape of the following of the nanogon is, nanogon has 9 sides. Next one decagon. Decagon has 10 sides. The third one, the sequence which represents the number of triangles in each row of stacked triangles. The stacked triangles 1, 4, 9, 16 up to so on. We can write it as 1, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square up to so on. The C option is correct. The 27th question is read the statements carefully and state T for true and F for false. P they given the sequence 1, 8, 27, 64 up to so on represents the square numbers. Q is if the pattern follows the multiply by 3 and then subtract 3, then the fifth term starting from 2 is 42. So the P is the given sequence 1, 8, 27, 64 up to so on represent the square numbers, and the Q they given if the pattern follows the starting number is 2 and we have to multiply it by 3, then subtract 3 and the fifth term is 42 they given. R is if we multiply the triangular numbers by 6 and add 1, then we get a sequence of hexagonal numbers. So they given that the triangular numbers by 6 add 1, then we get a sequence of hexagonal numbers. They given 4 options. Options A is F, F, F. F means false, false, false. B, true, true and false. C, true, true and true. D, false, true and true. In P, they given the sequence of 1, 8, 27, 64 up to so on represents the square numbers. 1 we can write it as 1 cube, 8 we can write it as 2 cube, 27 we can write it as 3 cube and 64 we can write it as 4 cube. They said that this represents a square numbers. This is false. This represents a cube. Next one, if the pattern follows the multiplied by 3 and subtract 3, fifth term is 42 starting from 2. So 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 minus 3 equals to 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 minus 3 is 42. So this Q is true and P is false. Last one, if you multiply triangular numbers by 6 and add 1, then we get a sequence of hexagonal numbers. What is triangular numbers? Triangular numbers are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21 up to so on. They said that first we have to multiply it by 6. So 1 6 ja 6 and add 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Next 3. 3 6 ja 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So we got a hexagonal numbers. This is also true. The option D is correct. False, true and true. The 28th question is match the following and select the correct option. They given two columns, column 1 and column 2. In column 1 they given 3 questions. In column 2 they given 3 answers. In column 1 the first question is the next number in the pattern. 3, 6, 9, 12 and dash. We have to find the next number. The second question is the missing term in the pattern 3, 9, dash, 81, 243 is. The third one, the next number in the pattern 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 and dash is. In the column 2, they given answers P 27, Q 21 and R 15. The first one, they ask next number. They given sequence 3, 6, 9, 12 and dash. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 ja 12. Next one we will get 3 5 are 15. This will match to R. First one is R. Next second one, the missing term in the pattern. 3 9 dash 81 243. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243. So the P is matched. The third one, the next number in the pattern 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 dash. These are triangular numbers. Next number will get 21. The option A is correct. 29th question is which of the following number sequence do we get in Coach Snowflake sequence? The options are A 3, 12, 27, 45 up to so on. Next B 3, 12, 45, 192 up to so on. C 3, 12, 48, 192 up to so on. D 3, 12, 44, 196 up to so on. What is Coach Snowflake sequence? We already discussed in earlier classes. So first we have 3 sides, next we have 12 sides, next we have 48, next 192. The option C is correct. The last question, 30th question. The question is study the following statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. The missing term in the sequence 2, 6, 12, 20, dash, 42, 56, 72 is 30. Statement 2. The difference between the fourth term and third term of hexagonal numbers is 18. So the statement 1 they given sequence 2, 6, 12, 20 and dash 42, 56, 72 is 30. Statement 2 is the difference between the fourth term and third term of hexagonal numbers is 18. So they given 4 options. Both statement 1 and 2 are true. Both statement 1 and 2 are false, and C statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. D statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. So if you observe the statement 1 sequence, 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 equals to 12, 12 plus 8 equals to 20, 20 plus 10 equals to 30, 30 plus 12 equals to 42, 42 plus 14 equals to 56. So this is the pattern and we are getting 30 is the answer. So the statement 1 is true. Next, the difference between the fourth term and third term of hexagonal numbers is 18. What is hexagonal numbers? 1, 7, 19, 37, 61 up to so on. 37 minus 19 equals to 18 because they asked third term and fourth term difference. So second statement also true. The option A is correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand these problems how to solve. If you have any doubts regarding these 5 problems, please ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.